Well, good evening, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another exciting video. You know, I want to know how many of you guys out there have been watching all of these clowns talking about how to become a millionaire real fast. And if you want to have the lifestyle that you want, just click here. And there you see them running around. They sitting up there on the beach. They sitting up here clowning. All of them got a course. All of them got a book. All of them they got all this stuff, master's class, and they all look like just a bunch of half-breeds and hippies sitting up here talking bull crap and lying. But you got to watch some of it because you got to find out if any of it's true. You know, they got the Lambo behind them. They got the Lambo on the right, the girl on the left. They got the house. You don't know if it's theirs. They're walking around talking a whole lot of smack. Well, this video is dedicated to what has happened in the crypto space in the last year. Folks, I've done several videos like this, but none like the one we're about to do. I need you to put on your seatbelt. Please stay with me. This video is going to be a little longer than normal, but I promise you, if you watch this video, you're going to see just why crypto might just be the best game in town. Let's start with the head honcho. Let's take all the thought out of this. Let's take all of the theory and all the bull out of this and just start at the first one, numero uno, and hit Bitcoin and just look at how it has performed over the last year. Okay, we're going to roll through this, folks. Let's roll this up here. Let's take a look. Bitcoin a year ago, if we take a look at on July 7th of 2020, it was $9,428. Okay? Today is $34,000. Oh, Jesus. Let's take 34,000. These are just rough, crude numbers. And divide it by, what did we have over there before? About 9,400. That's 3.6 times on your money. All right, let's just write that one down. We're just going to go through the top 10 and we're going to roll through this and we're going to talk about this. So we got BTC, 3.6 times on your money. All right, let's go back here and let's do Ethereum. Let's take a look at this. Let's do 1 year. Look at that. Look at that. $246. And today is 2,326. Oh, Lord. 2,326. Let's divide that just roughly here. 240. 9.6 on your money. Actually, round it up, 9.69, 9.7 for Ether. Alrighty. Let's go over here and do another one. Tether. Not actually a good example, but let's just go ahead and take a look. Think Tether is always going to be $1. Okay? So we'll skip Tether. We're not going to hit these stable coins. Let's look at Binance Coin. Let's see what it's doing. Oh, Lord, have mercy. Look at this one. Look at that. Oh my goodness. 0.22. You could have got it for 22 cents. And today, some millionaires were made on this one. $330. No. We got to do 1 year. 1 year. Yep, hey, that's better. $18, and today is $330. 330 divided by 18 times on your money. Go ahead. That's BNB. Binance Coin. Let's go ahead and lock it on down. Let's go on down. We're down to Cardano. Cardano, I think we're going to see something similar. Let's go ahead and hit the 1 year so we don't have that issue again. We're on the 1 year. There we are, July 7th. Come on, July 7th. Show me July 7th. 12 cents. And today, Cardano is $1.40. Oh my goodness. That's 11.6 on your money. Cardano, 88. Come on, let's go ahead and let's do another one. Let's go to XRP. My favorite, right? That's a joke. Everybody knows that if you're a subscriber. Oh, if you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe. I'm sure you've already gotten some benefit. You should see the trends that are already being set here, just looking. Okay, and there's always some goodies right there in the description. Go ahead and check it out. You might find out we have a nice little crypto portfolio that you might be interested in that helps you track your cryptos from various different sources. You can put your crypto in there offline and know exactly how much you have. But right now, we want to stick with why crypto might just be the best game in town. Let's go ahead and do this 1 year again on this time we're looking at XRP. With all the trouble they have, we go back to the 7th, they were 20 cents. And today, even while the trial is going on, they're still at 65 cents. Okay, so we got 0.65 divided by, what was it, 20 cents? Let's do it. 3.25 on your money. Okay, that's XRP. All right. We've done 5 so far. Let's do 5 more. Or actually, what we're going to do now is we're going to stop this video and we're going to go ahead and basically set up for a second video for those who are interested to see what happens with Dogecoin, Polkadot, Uniswap, Binance USD, and Solana. We're going to do those in the next video. But why do I say that crypto might just be the best game in town? Look, just from the first 5 that we did, minus Tether stablecoin, of course, there's not a single one in the top 6 coins there, minus the stablecoin, that is not over 3 times its value. Okay, you hear these guys talking about 35%. You hear these guys talking about how they make 20% in a year or 10%. You can go out here and look at Apple. You can go out here and look at Facebook. You can go out here and look at all of these companies, and you're just not going to find that many of them with this kind of performance. We've taken all of the thought out of this. You're looking at CoinMarketCap. You're looking at the top 10. They're ranked, and there's not a single one where you wouldn't have gotten 3 times on your money. It's almost like saying if you had just invested in anything that's in the top 10 right now, you would have 3 times what you have in your bank account. I hope you found this video informative. Let's go ahead. If you guys enjoyed it, please throw up the likes and the shares. If you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe. Hang out with me and go ahead and click on the next video so you can see what happens in the next 5 cryptos that we're going to analyze, so you can see why crypto is in fact the best game in town. I'll catch you on the next one.